Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about the donations in the education, and each year approximately 10% of your non-profit donors base will attrition neutrally through death, moving, or just not giving any longer. Than you add lapsed donors on top of that neutral attrition, and you are looking at an eroding donor list. Sounds similar? Below I answer the ever important questions of how to find how donors of your non-profit organization. Here are some simple steps that you can take to combat this natural attritions and the begin adding new names on your donor list. These are the actual suggestions that I will use with my very own clients. Conduct a fun exercise with your board members, such as a teacher map activity, to help them to think of all those who they come into contact with their networks. For example, people who they attend church with, volunteer on other boards of director, friends, hosting gathering or tour, and have board or and stuff. Bring those prospective donors of to this event. This event should have a program that share information about the organization and its mission, services, way to get involved, and most importantly, testamental. Don't forget to conduct follow up with all those who attend these events to find out what they thought about the event and determine further interest of for engagement. Use social media as way to find new donors. Consider having the presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Don't overwhelm yourself with having a manage and pay attention to the too many networks at the time. Instead, be strategic, profile your ideal donor and determine what networks that you are most likely to find them. Keep up the date on your competitors' website and how they are managing their social media presence. Then promote, and have board on staff and social media ambassadors. Sharing the page with friends, family, and other interested individuals. Keep content fresh. Consider automating content with an automating app, and don't forget to comment and interact with the others. Keep content 80% of interest and 20% promotional. Take a look at similar organization annual reports, website, and newsletters, and compile a list of who is giving to them. Compile a perspective list of donors. Ask board and staff if they happen to know anyone on these lists. If so, begin to collective them. Get the local voter or street record list, sometimes referred to as a grand list, and review this list with the board and staff based on property assessment, location, or other criteria that meet your ideal donor profile. From there, pull together a prospective donor list and collective. Ask for referral from your current donors. These donors already are giving to your love you, so why not ask them who else may they know who might be interested in becoming more involved in the organization. Be sure when you are doing outreach at the events or speaking engagements to bring along a guest book so that interested attendants can sign up to receive more information. You have captured interested audience, so you want to sure that to their names and contact information reach them. A possible segment of their as greater interest as capacity for cultivation, and add other names to the mailing list. Identify new attendants to your organization's fundraising events and career strategies that will take their traditional and attendance to possible transformational engagement in your organization. One possible first step into the call those new attendants and find out that they thought about the event, and if they see themselves getting more involved and interested learning more. Capture interested website visitors with the website pop-up offering free information and resources. Send those folks off a welcome and begin to send them relevant information emails in collective insurance Ensure that your site is more friendly as more folks are using mobile devices and access content.